Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video today I will show you that how we can reverse what. Okay, suppose previous video you can see that we reverse the whole statement, but here we reverse only a single word. Suppose here write hi. So I want that my text return that I okay, and then my text is good, so I want that doog. Okay, g. So I want these types of reverse file. That is, first we select a word, then we reverse it. Okay. So here, okay. So now we can see our code. So here you can see here first we include our header file, then we first declare file. Star fp means the input file and star op means the output file, means the reverse statement which file can be returned. Okay, so then we declare character array, that is 100, and int ch and int index equal to 0. So because we use here the Turbo C++ compiler, so that's why here I use CLR SCR for clear screen. Okay, then we open the input file, that is here you can see it is my input file, that is abc1.txt. So first we open it as read mode, and then we open our op1.txt that is my op1.txt file. Okay, so and here you also see that here I open this file as return mode, that is w, and then if fp equal to null and op equal to null, so means the file don't save or don't have in our machine. Okay, and return same. Then we just read a single character from fp. Okay, suppose here I first page h, then I, then this sign. So now the space. So whenever you can see the space, so for that my next line code is that whenever you can see these types of space, okay, or a new line, okay, so then you can write that work index equal to null value. Okay, then ref word. So inside the ref word here you can see is, suppose first we fetch this high. Okay, this high, then we reverse this word. So for reverse this word we can use, or we can write the code. So first we declare a temp variable, then for I equal to 0 means first I initialize the I variable, then we write that j equal to strlen, means string length word minus 1. So suppose this is my string good, so here the string length is 4 plus 1, because in the end of this string here a value that is this. Okay, so that's why here the length of this string is 5, not 4. That's why here we see that here we first write that strlen word minus 1. Okay, then I less than j, then I plus plus, and j minus minus, and then we just reverse this word. Okay, so then here you can see in the else part, then word index plus plus ch. Okay, then word index again 0, then rev word what f puts word op. Okay, so it means here we write the reverse word in my output file. Okay, then close fp and then close op, and at the end we write that file reverse successfully. That's it. So now I run this code in my Turbo C++. First of all, you can see that here this is my input file and this is my op1.txt file that is totally empty. Okay, start, then open file, uh, select the file, open, then here you can see this is my code. Okay, now compile it, then no error, so then run it, that is ctrl plus f9. So file reversed successfully. Now I open my notepad, means file. Mm, okay, so here you can see this is my file, that is boy.yob, then good, then very, and so on. Okay, so yeah, this is my video. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.